from the company LOGBAY. A 4-volt in the case, battery operated scissors, nicely packaged and protected by bubble wrap and plastic. It is a 4-volt system that takes about an hour to charge and 45 minutes of runtime. As we open up the package, we show you what you get inside. A USB-C compliance cable, in a package zippered and opening up, a nylon bag to put in your scissors, an instruction guide to go over, 2 spare blades will show you how to change out, and a right angle ergonomic scissor that grips, easy to cut. Cordless electric scissor with the safety and the on button and the blade guide in black and gray. Pressing on the button and then pressing on the trigger runs the blade. On the side of the unit is a red, orange, and green light for the amount of power. Going over the unit, on the top we have a label. On the bottom we have the USB-C compliance. And on the handle we have here is 3 lights, red, orange, and green. With a 10-sided blade, 240 RPM, right hand, left hand use. Cuts up to 1/4 inch by simply placing on, pressing, and cutting. Up to 45 minutes of cut time, cutting cardboard. Cutting cardboard up to 1 inch with replaceable blades. What we're going to do now is take the blade out, and you'll decide if this is right for you. In a cutting machine, simple left-handed, right-handed use with the safety switch. Nice right angle, ergonomic grip, safety guard, and blades. Enjoy your product. Let's change out those blades. Option of a coin and a screwdriver. We have here is a T-tool with the little circle. Simply grab on, open up, spin off. With the beveled edge and the flat side, slide on, align into the notches, and place on the screw and lock down and adjust. Ready to cut. Arrow of the way it cuts with the guide that presses against the blade. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in your cutting needs. Thank you for viewing.